Good morning. So I'm in Trecastle today, which is in the north west of the Brecon Beacons, a sort of Black Mountain area, and I parked along the Roman Road, which is this kind of area here. So we're just, oh wow, look at this, amazing views into the higher Black Mountains there, Black Mountain I should say. So we're following this road here up towards Trig Point, and then up onto Myneth Bach Trecastle, which I think is sort of little mountain above Trecastle. So we're going to go up here and have a little explore. Amazing views of the north bit of the Black Mountain, Van Brahiniog. Seeing if I can zoom in. Pickers D. Yeah, brilliant views. So there's an information board, and it's showing that the summit called Epigwyn is what was a Roman fort, and that looks like it's up there. It's not that far away, but in terms of the views, really good. Expansive. See a lot of the kind of northwestern area. So the trig point is, this trig point is here, but it's all behind barbed wire fence, which is a bit odd. So I'm going to see if there's a sort of access to that, and we'll see if we can get there. I think it would be pretty bleak in winter along here. It's fairly boggy already. But brilliant views of the Usk Reservoir from here, and the higher mountains beyond. Absolutely lovely. Kind of van in the distance. Really nice. So the summit's up here, Myneth Bach Trecastle. So I'm going to just try and find a sheep trail path up there, and we'll show you when we're at the top. So there's these huge rectangular shaped sort of old Roman ramparts around here. Used to be a Roman fort. So I found what I think looks like the best sheep trail path yet through the rampart, or the old one. And we're going to follow this one up, hopefully to the top. Here we are, Myneth Bach Trecastle, Epigwyn. We come from that forest there, so longer walk than I thought, just to here. Views are good. Yeah, pretty sort of rough grassland summit. Views into mid Wales. Yeah, lovely views. Cool, so that's that one. Mags enjoyed it. We're going to just have a rethink now of where to go and what to do. This is Twine Henwyn, featureless top. This is the highest bit. Yeah, that I can find, definitely. But brilliant views of the Usk Reservoir from here in the Black Mountain. Really impressive. Very random one this, but it is one on the OS map. So we're going to make our way back to the path. Another one ticked off, albeit an extremely random one. And that's where we were a few minutes ago up there. Definitely one of the most random trig points in the Brecon Beacons. A new one. Cumulus, I think it's called. That's what it said on the online walking blog. It could be called Tumulus. So who knows? I had to hop the barbed wire fence to get over. It's on private land. But yeah, bit of a random one. But a new one done anyway. There you go. I've just come down into Track Castle for a few minutes just to have a look at the place. It's quite cute, nice little village. I'm going to call it there today. So apologies, it was a bit of a short walk, but I'm feeling the best really. My wife and son have both got really horrible viruses at home. He's been sick and she's got like flu-like symptoms. So yeah, I don't know, just feel like I got zero energy. Just really tired and a bit achy. So maybe I'm coming down with something. Certainly, I'm definitely going to get it in the next few days. But yeah. Anyway, so that's life. We're all we're not machines, are we? So I think I'm going to have a good rest for a few weeks and then well, a week or so, and get back on it. Hopefully I'm feeling a bit better. But nice day out. It's good to get out. Definitely better than staying at home.